Hello everybody, it's Joe from JL Model Railroad. I want to let you know, give you an update. This is the top, okay? It's going right on here. I've got legs already pre-cut. Right now I'm finishing up the roof. I've got this side done, you can see. And then this side is being done right now. I've already got everything pre-cut. They're all going just like that, across the whole side. And then after that, I have the facings. This is all pre-cut, the siding. Okay, going all the way across. And then the last but not least, I'll have the end. I'll have the siding. I'll go ahead and pre-cut everything all the way down through. It's very time consuming, but you know, that's part of scratch building. It takes a while. It's important to do it and take your time, don't rush. If you rush, you're gonna make mistakes. So I've been working on this for about 3 to 4 hours today. So I'm enjoying it. Just throw some glue on. I'll put a couple on and show you how I do it. I got this little, I call it a poker. Apply my glue, you don't need much. And then you just take your seam, like that. Like I said, you don't need much, just a little bit. So I'm hoping that tomorrow I will have this all done and painted. And then once that's done, then I can build the saw. That's the goal, that's the plan, we'll see. I'm really busy, I've got a lot of things going on. We're building an outdoor kitchen barbecue here at the house. So I've been trying to assist them with that when needed. So I haven't had as much time to work on the model railroad as I'd liked, but you know, the home takes priority. This is just a hobby. And just always remember that. You know, if you start thinking it's a job, you're not going to last. Think of it as something to do in your spare time. I got spare time, although lately I've been, like I said, I've been really busy. So that's how that's done. I just wanted to give you an idea. It's not real difficult. I got some seams here. This is all built out of balsa wood and popsicle sticks, believe it or not. So, unfortunately my popsicle sticks, I didn't have one long enough to do this whole area here. But what I may do is where this seam here is, end up making a chimney or a smokestack. I'll figure something out. It's not a big deal, but I'll come up with something. So there's an update on where I'm at, and like I said, I'm hoping to have this done tomorrow, completely sided and painted. That's the plan. And when it's all done and painted, I will do another video to show you how it came out. So, okay, please hit the like button, notification button, so you'll get all my videos, and subscribe if you have not. I'd like to thank the new subscribers that have come on the last few days. I appreciate your support, and I hope you all have a great day. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.